For example 3, writing an equation of a perpendicular line, we first look at this equation here and we find the slope. So it is 1/3. To find the slope of a perpendicular line, you need to flip that to be 3/1, and you need to change the sign. So this is positive, this is negative. We also know that that can reduce to just a -3. Our point is a x1 and a y1. And the first part of the directions wants you to write this in point-slope form. So we can use this formula here to write our equation in PSF. So y minus, our y1 is 4, slope is -3, and our x is 2. Now to go from PSF to SIF, we need to distribute the -3. And then add the 4 over to its like term, 6. And we get -3x plus 10 in SIF. For part B, it's the same situation. So identify your slope. And then if we were to make that a fraction and flip it, it would be 1/5. If this is negative, this needs to stay positive. Then we can also identify our point as x1, y1, and then plug our 3 numbers into point slope form. So y minus, y1 is a -2. We know we can change that to a plus. Our slope was 1/5, and our x would be x minus 5. So we would distribute our 1/5, and in here when we multiply 1/5 times -5, that is like canceling out the 5's here, so you're left with 1 over -1, which is just -1. Then if I subtract 2, we get 1/5 x minus 3.